I have two options here. Maybe I have more time, and maybe I'm the best, and maybe also I'm not suitable for the time because the time is so shortly. Okay, what I'm trying to explain here is I'd like to bridge all your presentation to one recommendation. So I hope that I can give my recommendation on my research based on your paper. I hope. Okay, this is my title, Bridging the Gender Gap Challenges. Okay, you just provide us many challenges, and also you are just explain all the opportunity in women leadership in the digital age. Okay, so what I'd like to, because time is consumed here. Okay, next page, please. What I'd like to inform you here that using the method, qualitative method in FIFO, please define key gender finding, please. Can I have the slide key finding, please? Okay, slide 4. Okay, can you give us slide 4? Okay. Okay, I use method in FIFO. As you know, these applications combine many research discussing about this issue. So I store all the issue, all the research to in applications. And what I have result here. Next page, please. Next slide, please. Next slide. Okay. Okay. The key finding here is about the complexity of power in women's lead. There was, in reality, there is a complex power structure. There is a complex social norms. There is a complex cultural expectations and as support policies. And the achievement is the increase of awareness and policy supporting women's need for more empowerment. And again now, as you are all of here presenting that the gap, persistent structural and social barriers and limiting women access to the leadership roles. Okay, next. Please give me the recommendations. Okay, next. Okay, here I try to write in the gap all the factors can influence the women leadership in the digital era. So here I state the reality that policy aims to increase national workforce, not just in Indonesia, not just in your country, but the whole world, and there was need to increase national workforce participations. And the achievement until now, the increasing in participations, including in hierarchy women, and there was still need more achievement, need more empowerment. And now, what we have here, the gender disparity is access to quality jobs and leadership opportunity. Okay, so give me okay, this is the point okay, this is the point I just presented. Okay, next please. Okay, this is the recommendation I would like to show you that the most important thing is ensuring policy support gender equality in practice, not just in the paper. So all the paper need not just on your paper, but need in practice, in quality of gender. And training and awareness, of course, need more awareness, enhancing gender awareness in training in all organizational levels to challenge stereotypes and just say paradigms and cultural norms. And how to do that? We need to elimination of the structural barriers. So identifying and addressing structural barrier and to prevent women from accessing leadership position. Okay, so this is my conclusions. Okay, my time is until now. I think I'm the only one having the time presenting in 5 minutes. So if you have a question, I hope I'm using my time to answer the question. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.